welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a collar with a string. You can choose to add buttons if you want, it's much more easier, but here I'll be showing you how to attach a string, which is a little complex than that of the buttons. All right, let's get on. Okay, make a slip knot and chain 82. Remember not to make the loop too tight or too loose. Chain 82, and I'll see you at the end of 82. Okay, now at 82, count your chains backward, and on the fourth chain, insert your hook and make a double crochet. Yarn over into the next chain, another double crochet, and into the next chain, a double crochet, and in the next chain, a double crochet. Now you repeat this process in all the chains till the end. So one double crochet in every chain till the end. Take note that your very first 3 chains, remember the first 3 chains you left at the beginning, they represent one double crochet. So those 3 chains represent one double crochet. So when you're counting, you count that as one double crochet. Okay, so repeat the same process till the end of our chain, and I'll meet you there. Now we are at the end of our first row, and at the end you should have 80 double crochets in total. That's including the first 3 chains, okay? So for our second row, simply chain 3, turn your work, and make a double crochet in the very next stitch. No, not that stitch, but the very next one. Remember, the first 3 chains represent a double crochet. So now you have 2 double crochets in 2 stitches. Yarn over into the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. So you have 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And on the next stitch, make 2 double crochet. So 2 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 2 double crochet. Repeat the same process. 1 double crochet in the next 3 chains, 3 stitches, sorry. 3. 1, 2, 3, and in the fourth, 2 double crochet. 1 in the same stitch, 2. So you have 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. So you will repeat this process till the end of the second row. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2 till the end. Remember, you can pause the video and rewind if you miss any stitch or you miss any step. Repeat this process till the end, and I'll see you there. Welcome back. We are at the end of our first row, and to end, you make 1 double crochet in that last stitch, And on your last 3 chains that represent 1 double crochet, you make 2 double crochets. Now these 2 double crochets in 1 stitch is referred to as an increase. For our 3rd row, chain 3, turn your work, yarn over, and in the very same stitch, that same first stitch, make a double crochet. Right there. Chain 3, yarn over, count 4 stitches, skip those 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th stitch insert your hook and make a double crochet. So you have 4 stitches in between. Let's take that again. For your 3rd row, chain 3, turn your work, yarn over into that same first stitch, make a double crochet. That's 2 double crochet right there. Chain 3, yarn over, skip 4 stitches, 3, 4, and on the 5th one insert your hook and make a double crochet. So you have 4 stitches in between. Now in that same stitch, add another double crochet. Now chain 2, and in that same stitch again, another double crochet and another double crochet. So you should have 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. So you have 2 starting, chain 3, skip 4 stitches, and then the remaining process. Okay, so skip 4 stitches again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th stitch insert your hook and make a double crochet. Make another double crochet in that same stitch, chain 2 and 2 double crochet into that same stitch. So 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet. Repeat the same process till the end of that row. 3 chains, skip 4 stitches, in the 5th stitch make a double crochet and another double crochet, 2 chains and 2 more double crochets. It should look like this, and repeat the same process till the end, and I'll meet you there. Welcome back. To end, chain 3, skip 3 stitches, and in that last chain double crochet, make 2 double crochet right in there. So you should have something that looks exactly like this. Now let's move on to row 4. chain 3, turn your work, and into the very next stitch make 1 double crochet. Make 3 chains, and into the next chain 2 space, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet in the same hole. Now repeat the same process all the way till the end. 3 chains, and in the next 2 chain space, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet. Remember, you can pause and rewind if you miss any step. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can give me a thumbs up at the end, drop a comment, or you can also send me your work to my Instagram page and I'll be glad to receive it. Alright, at the end of this row, you'll insert your hook in the last stitch, make 1 double crochet, and into the last 3 chain double crochet, 1 double crochet. So you should look exactly like this. Now you repeat the same process again and again and again till you're satisfied with the length you have. For this particular one, I will be doing 5 rows of 2 double crochets. So you can choose to make it longer, you can make it shorter, you can keep going on. The higher you go, the wider it becomes. Alright, so we are done with the first stage. Now let me show you how to round up this stage. So we have 5 rows. Now chain 3, turn your work, make 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and in that chain 3 space right there, make a single crochet, and in the next chain 2 space make 9 double crochet, 9 double crochet, 9 double crochet. Now let's count. Continue into the next chain 3 space, 1 single crochet, and in the next chain 2 space, 9 double crochet. The process is very simple, very easy. 9 double crochet in the chain 2 space, 1 single crochet in the chain 3 space. Repeat this process till the end to round up this stage. Pause and rewind if you miss anything. Now we are at the end. Make a single crochet in the next chain 3 space, 1 double crochet in that last stitch, and in the 3 chain make 1 double crochet. To end, chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Pull on tight and sew into your work. Now the first stage is ready. It should look just like this, nice and neat. Okay, to make the string, make a loop and chain 50. And I'll see you at 50. Now take your hook, insert it in the very first chain at the beginning of your work, You can choose to add button at this point, but I'm adding string because it's much more complex. So insert your hook in that very starting chain that you started with in the beginning, and make a single crochet in every stitch till the end. So remember, you chain 50, then you attach it to the beginning of your work and make 1 single crochet all the way till the end. Now at the end, you should have something like this. Now chain another 50. At the end of 50, skip the last stitch and go into the next chain and make a slip stitch. So you make 1 slip stitch in every chain till the end. 1 slip stitch, pull through, pull through. You're basically just pulling through, pull through. Now we are back at the beginning again. So the last chain, a slip stitch, and then continue with 1 single crochet again into every stitch till the end. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and again at the end, begin on the chains a slip stitch. Slip stitch in each chain till the end. Pull through, pull through, pull through, pull through, pull through, pull through, all the way till the end. And at the end, to end your work, make a chain, cut off your yarn, pull out tight, and make a knot to seal your string. Now we are done. This is how it looks like. Don't you just love it? Bye.